Hi everyone out there on YouTube, this is David from DP Computing. Today we're just going to be doing an unboxing. This time we've got a Lenovo laptop. This one's a Lenovo IdeaPad 310-15ABR. So this is the outside of the box, as you can see. There's nothing too flash on it. I'll just open up the front here, if we can get it going. There we go, there we can see the inside of it. Just got the normal packing material. And then down this side is where we've got some cables. They'll come out nicely, which they aren't. We've got cables there, I'll just put them to one side. And then the main computer. So a few manuals, the computer itself, I'll just put that to a side, and there's nothing else in the box. So we just get a few different documents here. So on this one here we've got a safety warranty and setup guide. So it tells you how to unpack the initial setup procedure. So that's all there. So just as I said, tells you how to set it up, your port assignment and button layout, where everything is on the computer. And just some more details there. It's generally different languages, so there's not too much there. Let's put it down the other side here. And this here is just your Lenovo support telephone list. So for all the different countries, it's just the contact details. So there we go, that's all you get in terms of manuals. Here we've got the plug-in power pack. This is just for Australian one. And let me see here, it says it's model ADLX65CDGA2A, and it's a 20 volt 3.25 amp output. So I probably can't see that too well. And the main unit itself is just here. Just swing around. So there it is, it's a full-size keyboard with the number pad over here, trackpad, 2 buttons, and this one's got an AMD A12 7th gen CPU. Got the on-off button up here. As it says down here, we've got high-speed Wi-Fi, Type-C USB 3.1 Gen 1, and a stylish design. Well, on the underside here, there's not much there, as you can see. Just got the optical drive on this side. And we'll go through some of the ports now. We've got yeah, sorry about that. That was just the camera just died out, and now it's not looking like it's into focus. Oh, there we are. That's a bit better with focus. So here we've got power, an Ethernet port, which just sort of flips up or flips down to fit the actual cable in. HDMI, two USB ports, headphone jack, USB-C port, SD card reader. And a couple of LEDs. The LEDs are for, oh no, one's a reset it looks like, and one's a power button, power. So on the other side, all we've got is a Kensington lock there, and then your optical drive. There we are, and on the front there, no ports, and then on the back, again there's no ports, just the main hinge in the middle there. So there we have it, a quick unboxing of a Lenovo IdeaPad 310. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks again, and check out our other YouTube channel, or check out our YouTube channel I should say, and see the other unboxings and also teardowns. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.